Sleep deprived. Not getting enough sleep. New parents are often sleep deprived. I feel sleep deprived after working night shifts. Toss and turn. To be unable to sleep, moving around in bed. I was tossing and turning all night. I just couldn't get comfortable in bed, and tossed and turned until 2. Not sleep a wink. To not sleep at all. I didn't sleep a wink before the exam. She couldn't sleep a wink thinking about the interview. Sleepwalk. To walk or perform activities while still asleep, without being aware of it. My brother used to sleepwalk and end up in the kitchen at night. She sleepwalked out of her room and scared everyone. To lull. To make someone feel calm or sleepy, often by soft sounds or movements. The soft music lulled her to sleep. The rocking chair lulled the baby to sleep. Sleepyhead. A person who likes to sleep or has trouble waking up. Wake up, sleepyhead, it's time for school. He's such a sleepyhead that he sleeps in every day. Nightmare, noun. Meaning, a very bad or scary dream. I had a horrible nightmare about falling. She woke up from a nightmare in the middle of the night. Drowsy. Meaning, feeling sleepy or tired, but not yet asleep. I feel drowsy after that long flight. The medicine made him feel drowsy. Bedridden. Being in bed due to illness, injury, or old age. She was bedridden with the flu for a week. After the surgery, he was bedridden for several days. Sleep tight. A phrase used to wish someone a good and peaceful sleep. Good night, sleep tight. I hope you sleep tight and have sweet dreams. Sleepover. An event where someone stays at another person's house to sleep, often for fun. The kids had a sleepover at Sarah's house. I'm going to a sleepover this weekend. 40 winks. A short nap. I took 40 winks during my lunch break. He needed 40 winks before the meeting. Burn the midnight oil. To stay up late working. She's been burning the midnight oil for exams. I had to burn the midnight oil to meet the deadline. Snore. To make a loud noise while breathing during sleep. He snores loudly every night. I can't sleep because my brother snores. Light sleeper. A person who wakes up easily. He's a light sleeper, even small sounds wake him. I can't sleep with noise because I'm a light sleeper. Heavy sleeper. A person who doesn't wake up easily. She's a heavy sleeper and didn't hear the alarm. He sleeps like a rock, a real heavy sleeper. Hypnic jerk or sleep start. A sudden muscle jerk or feeling of falling that happens just as you're about to fall asleep. I felt like I was falling, and my body jumped. It was a hypnic jerk. Sometimes I get a sleep start right before I fall asleep. It's like I'm falling off a cliff. Catch some Z's. Meaning, to sleep or take a nap. I'm tired. I need to catch some Z's. He's catching some Z's on the couch. Insomnia. Not being able to sleep or having trouble staying asleep. I couldn't fall asleep all night. Maybe I have insomnia. She has insomnia, so she feels tired every morning. Snooze fest. Something so boring it makes you sleepy. That meeting was a total snooze fest. The lecture turned into a snooze fest.